Kale has become incredibly popular in recent years, and for good reason. Not only it is a nutrient-packed superfood, but it's also pretty easy to grow in our garden. Whether you're looking to add some variety to your salads, or you want to try your hand at making kale chips, growing your own kale is a great way to ensure you have a steady supply of this versatile vegetable. Kale is a member of the Brassica family, which includes other vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower and cabbage. It is a cold hardy plant that thrives in cooler temperatures, making it a great choice for fall and winter gardening. However, kale can also be grown in the spring and summer months if you live in a cooler climate or have a shady spot in your garden. When planting kale in your garden, you'll want to make sure you choose a spot with well-draining soil and plenty of sunlight. Kale plants can get pretty big, so you'll want to space them at least 18 to 24 inches apart to ensure they have enough room to grow. And if you're planting kale in the fall or winter, it's a great idea to cover them with a frost cloth to protect them from the cold. One of the great things about kale is that it's pretty low maintenance plant. Once you've planted your kale, you'll want to water it regularly, but not too much. Kale doesn't like to be waterlogged. And if you notice any pest or disease, you can usually treat them with an organic spray or by removing infected leaves. As your kale plants start to grow, you'll want to keep an eye on them for any signs of bolting. Bolting is when the plant starts to produce flowers and go to seeds. This can happen when the plant is exposed to high temperatures and has reached the end of its lifespan. If you notice your kale starting to bolt, you'll want to harvest it as soon as possible, as the leaves will start to stay bitter. To harvest kale, you'll want to start by picking the outer leaves first. This will encourage new growth and ensure that your kale plant continues to produce leaves throughout the season. You can use kale in a variety of dishes, from salads and smoothies to soups and stews. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even try making your own kale chips by baking the leaves in the oven with some olive oil and sea salt. Aside from its culinary uses, kale is also incredibly nutritious. It is packed with vitamins A, C and K, as well as minerals like calcium and iron. It also is high in fiber and low in calories, making it a great choice for anyone looking to improve their diet. In conclusion, kale is a fantastic vegetable to grow in your garden. It's easy to grow, requires little maintenance, and is incredibly nutritious. So if you're looking to add some variety to your diet or want to try your hand at gardening, consider planting some kale. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks, and see you soon.